Treat yourself with this fresh, delicious, and healthy tzatziki sauce. I like to enjoy it with crunchy vegetables, but it is also nice with grilled meats and pita bread. This Greek dip is so good, goes well with too many to count. It is very easy to make. Start by placing 2 cups of Greek yogurt into a bowl. Cut about half of a large English cucumber, then peel, and finely chop. By cutting it with a knife, you minimize the amount of liquid released by the cucumber. This keeps the tzatziki sauce thick. A few sprigs of fresh dill will add a refreshing flavor. Separate the leaves from the stems and chop finely. You need about 1 tablespoon of chopped dill leaves for this recipe. Add the chopped cucumber to the bowl with the yogurt. Then, add the chopped dill and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir to combine the ingredients. Finely grate a garlic clove and combine with the rest of the ingredients. Then enjoy with veggie sticks.